Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be swatching the Fall 2021 Nostalgic Collection from Zoya. This collection includes 6 cream shades that are perfect for fall. For all these shades, I was able to get full coverage in 2 coats, except for one that's a 1-coater, which you'll see in a bit. First up is Miele, which is best described as a deep mahogany red. Next is Roomie, which is a muted terracotta shade. What I really love about Zoya is that it's always easy to get full coverage since the formula is nice and smooth. Now we have Vivi, which is a dusty rose pink. I personally really enjoy seeing pinks for fall, especially these sort of muted lighter shades. Also, don't forget to leave a comment letting me know if you have any favorites. Here is Austin, which the Zoya website describes as a cool Wedgwood blue. I've never heard of the color Wedgwood, so I looked it up and it's such a unique shade, I really love it. Next up is Cooper, which again, the Zoya website describes as a Logan green shade. I've said this before, but I'm not that great at describing colors, so if you can't tell, I usually just pull descriptions off the brand's website since it's more accurate. But if I would put this in my own words, I'd say this is a nice swampy green. Last but not least is Becca, which is a deep, rich purple. This is the one that I was able to get full coverage in 1 coat. Alright, so that's it for these swatches. I hope you enjoyed seeing this collection and thanks for watching!